Okay, so we're going to continue for polynomial. This is the third video. We're going to talk about multiplying polynomials. So given multiplication of two polynomials, use the distributive property to simplify the expression. We're going to give the example over here, 2x plus 1 times 3x squared minus x plus 4. So we're going to use the box method. So we're going to displace the 2x and positive 1 over here on the column, and 3 times x squared negative x as well as 4 we're going to list on the side. Then we're going to time each one together. So 2x times x squared, we times the coefficient together. 2 times 3, we get 6. X times x squared, you only need to add the power together. X means x to the power of 1, so 1 plus 2 over here, we get x power to the 3, so x cubed. Next one will be the same. 2 times negative 1, you get negative 2x times x, you get x squared because 1 plus 1 equals 2. The last term of this column will be 2x times 4. You only need to times the coefficient over here. 2 times 4, you get 8, 8x. Next one is easy because by the identity rule, anything times 1, it will be itself. So you just copy that down. And then we're going to combine the lag term together. So we only have 6x cubed. This is the only cube we have. But we have two terms for x squared. So we are going to add 3 and negative 2 together. So we got 1x squared. And as I said, you don't necessarily need to write the coefficient for 1. So here we got x squared. And then we have 2x terms, negative 1x plus 8x. So 8 minus 1 will be 7. So we got 7x over here. And we only got one coefficient, which is, the constant over here. So we just leave the constant. And we got our final answer, 6x cubed plus x squared plus 7x plus 4. So let's try one by ourselves. So we're going to find the products over here. So we have 2n plus 3 times n minus 2. Draw a box over here. 2n plus 3 and n is negative 2. So I suggest you use the parentheses for negative value. So remind yourself it is negative. You're gonna swap the coefficient. 2n times n. The coefficient here is 1, so 2 times 1 will be 2, n times n. So we see over here, the degree is 1, degree is 1, so 1 plus 1, you get the degree equals 2. So the next term is 2n plus negative 2, so 2 times negative 2, negative 4, and the n will be stay here. Next one, 3 times 1n. 3n, 3 times negative 2, negative 6. So we only have 2n squared. This is the only n squared term. We just map it over here. Then we're going to look at the n term. We got 2, so we're going to add them together. So we have 2n squared. 3 minus 4, so we got negative 1n, so we subtract the n over here, as well as the constant. Do not forget the constant, minus 6. So this will be our answer for the first one. So please pause the video and give it a try for question 2. And right now I'm going to continue for question 3 because this one is a little tricky, but not too much. Draw the box. Put 3x plus 2 over here, x cubed negative 4x squared, put the parentheses for negative value, and plus 7. We're gonna time out each, we're gonna cross time each other. So 3x means 3x to the power of 1 times x cubed over here. So we got 3 times x to the power of 4. You add the power together. Next one over here will be 3 times negative 4, negative 12 x cubed, as well as the last one over here, 3 times 7, 21x, 2 times x cubed, 2x cubed, 2 times negative 4x squared, negative 8x squared, 2 times 7, 14. Combine the like terms together. Here we have the cube terms. Here we have the x term. We write everything down. 3x to the power of 4. Negative 12 plus 2. So we get negative x cubed. So we subtract x 10x cubed. Next one, 21. Okay, so those are not like terms, right? So we cannot combine them together. We just copy that down. They cannot combine them together, so we just copy that down. Follow the standard from the highest to the lowest. So negative 8x squared plus 21x plus 14. And this is your key. Okay. I hope you enjoyed the video. I will see you then in the next one.